Dear colleagues and friends, good morning and welcome to the Aeolus Science Conference. I'm Simonetta Cheli, I'm the Director of Earth Observation Programs at the European Space Agency and also the head of ESRIN, the ESA site in Rome. I wish I could be with you today to celebrate this conference and the immense scientific achievements of Aeolus, where I know you engaged and you put a lot of dedication and hard work. It's especially apt that we are able to celebrate the Aeolus here in Rhodes, and guests of the National Observatory of Athens who have contributed so much to this remarkable mission. It's been a pleasure in the past couple of years to keep up to date with the tremendous efforts that you've been doing along with partners of the Aeolus Disk on field campaigns in the tropical Atlantic, the many long days and nights observing dust and clouds over Cape Verde. Those efforts are invaluable for the success of future missions like EarthCare, and of course, to a future operational Doppler wind lidar mission, which is in Aeolus 2. It's a testament to the legacy of Aeolus that we received overwhelming support during the ministerial, and we got an oversubscription to the Aeolus 2 program. Recent economic assessment, they estimate the impact of Aeolus and Aeolus 2 to be worth over 10 billion euros to the EU economy. So you see the relevance economically of these missions. But also for ESA, the value of Aeolus is immeasurable. I've been privileged to follow from the journey, the satellite mission through the development, the launch, and also the successful years in orbit. And it's been a journey of more than 2 decades, which has been requiring a great deal of problem solving and perseverance, of course, along the way. It took 17 years to develop the satellite. Aeolus is a triumph of European innovation, of collaboration, of technical excellence. And it's one of the most technically challenging instruments that we've ever put into orbit, the LiDAR, and a shining example of ESA Earth Explorers and future EO programs. Aeolus is one of the highest impact per observation weather satellite in existence, and it highlights how these pioneering missions go above and well beyond their initial set of paradigms on scientific objectives. None of this could have been achieved without the professional commitment and extraordinary personal dedication of the Aeolus team. It's not without some sadness, therefore, that Aeolus time in orbit is now coming to a close, but it's not quite the end. In line with this responsibility to make space as safe as possible and clear of debris, Aeolus will come back home in a world-first assisted re-entry. It's fitting that Aeolus, a trailblazer in so many ways, will carve yet another path for others to follow, one that sets a template on how satellites will return to Earth in the future. I know that ESA mission and industry teams, including the Aeolus Disk, have been working exceptionally hard over the past year to make the re-entry a success, all while working on a laser switch to extend Aeolus' lifetime. It's wonderful to see that after such excellent work, the instrument is performing as well as ever, and that if we're not of lack of fuel and the sun ramping up to its solar maximum, Aeolus would still be providing operational data. So it's with great pleasure that we can gather here in Rhodes to celebrate the achievements of Aeolus, the fantastic community that has driven them. And I thank you all, and I wish you good work for the next few days.